Today we are unboxing HP's latest 2025 thin and light laptop, the HP 14 powered by AMD Ryzen 5 7520U. Alright, so let's see what's inside the box. So the packaging is simple and clean, just like most HP laptops. I wish they could have provided a dedicated box because the box they provided, I have to throw it. And alright, so inside we get the laptop itself wrapped in this cover and a 45 watt USB-C power adapter. And this is the setup instruction manual. Nothing fancy here. Let's keep those aside and take a closer look at the laptop. Wow, it looks sleek and professional. This is the ash gray color variant and it weighs just 1.36 kilograms, which feels really light in the hand. This surface over here, I can feel this, this kind of premium grip finish. It's really good. And of course, you can see some fingerprints on the surface and it just disappeared. Okay, and the build quality feels solid for its price point. It's a 14-inch thin and light chassis, perfect for carrying to work or college. So you've got the HP logo on the lid with a clean matte finish, and overall it gives a premium business vibe. Alright, so behind we can see this air exhaust, the speakers over here and here, and this is the rubber feet, and we have some information about the serial number and all other things. We have other details as well. Okay, quickly looking at the ports, a USB port, HDMI port, and you have the USB-C port, and this is the 3.5mm headphone jack. And on the other side, we have USB port, and this is the power port. Connectivity wise, it's pretty decent. Okay, let's open the lid. You can't open this lid with one hand. You can see the bottom part is also lifting up. So we just have to hold it and open it up. Alright, so let me turn it on. Great, the laptop is up and running. Under the hood, it's powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U, a quad-core processor built on 6nm tech, efficient and fast for everyday use. You also get 8GB memory, LPDDR5 RAM, and a 512GB SSD, so multitasking and app loading should be quite smooth. For graphics, it comes with integrated AMD Radeon Graphics, enough for light gaming, video editing, and creative work. And this laptop runs on Windows 11 Pro, which is great for business users, offering BitLocker encryption, remote desktop, and other pro features. Now talking about display, it's got a 14-inch HD display, not a full HD unfortunately, but it's good enough for daily tasks and office work. The bezels on the side are fairly slim, giving it a modern look. The keyboard is compact with good travel. The typing on this is in fact comfortable. Now about the speakers, this laptop comes with dual stereo speakers placed at the bottom of the chassis, as you just saw. And audio quality is clear for voices and online meetings, but it's not very loud. It's typical for thin and light laptops. Bass is minimal, mids are okay, and highs can sound slightly tinny at full volume. It's best suited for video calls, watching YouTube or Netflix at moderate volume, and basic productivity use. Let's quickly test the audio. Volume is set to 90.
We are heroes tonight.
it has a dual array digital mic integrated near the webcam, and it works well for Zoom Meet or Teams. Voices are clear and background suppression is decent. However, in noisy environments, it may pick up fan or room speeds since there's no advanced AI noise cancellation like on premium models. Alright, so I wanted to see how this HP 14 with Ryzen 5 handles some light gaming, and the game I picked is Nitro Nation Dragon Drift, which you can actually download for free from Microsoft Store. It's a drag racing game. You build, tune, and race licensed cars against players online. The graphics are pretty decent for a free title, and surprisingly, it runs smooth on this laptop. Frame rate stays playable around 30 FPS, and I didn't notice any stutter or heating. So, if you're a casual gamer or you just want to chill with a quick racing session after work, this Ryzen 5 machine can handle it. Of course, this isn't a gaming laptop, but for something this thin and light, getting decent gameplay is pretty impressive. Plus, Nitro Nation doesn't eat up storage or battery much, which makes it great for on-the-go fun. Now, talking about price, this laptop is available for 30,250 rupees in Amazon, and you do get discounts now and then. So that's the unboxing and quick first look at the HP 14 2025 Ryzen 5 7520U. It's a clean, professional laptop that focuses on portability, battery life, and everyday performance. If you're a student or working professional looking for a reliable daily driver around this price point, this could be a solid pick. If you found this unboxing helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.